So I've had this Rainforest Technologies monitor for a while. It's pretty cool. It connects to your smart meter, and it's got a bunch of functions in it. So let's run through them. Let's start with the top one. So no messages. Let's go. I think this scrolls the best way. Okay, so here's the meter reading. See if I go back, I go forward. It's not much moving right now. Okay, this is my current usage. The refrigerator just turned on, but just a moment ago it was down to like 177 watts. So probably all the wall warts I got plugged in. Not too bad. This basically shows usage. Wow, that's a really big drop in the middle of yesterday. It's interesting. It shows you your cumulative for 24-hour period. So each bar is an hour. This shows an average. I think that 116 is for a month, or average over the 257 days, I guess. But it's based upon this, and I calculated this from my bill, but I'm not sure if that's correct or not. Because the prices fluctuate, and sometimes there's messages, and that's it. It's called Rainforest Technology. Rainforest Technologies. Pretty cool. Not that expensive. I think it was like, I don't know, 50, 60 bucks. And it's completely wireless. It's got some those round things. Those are magnets, so you can actually put it on your like your refrigerator or something like that. And then these three lights here, they'll light up when the where is it here? So if you go over, like when you start hitting 1 kilowatt, this will light up as green. I'm sorry, 500 watts. I think it'll be green, and then it's orange, and then red. So you can get a quick look to see if there's a lot of energy being used. So that's about it. Interesting, huh?